on YouTube? Welcome back to another video with Tay. This video, we ain't doing shit. This video is inspired by 6-Speed Zay, the other mother that told me to finish my car. This video, I'm gonna be working on the Maxima, and I also got a box for the Maxima. Inside, I don't know. Shout out to SER Ken. SER Ken sent me this box. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Oh, boy sent me some brand new NGK spark plugs. These are the GTR step coder spark plugs. I'm gonna use these GTR step coder spark plugs on my fucking Maxima, obviously. Shit, brain fart. Without further ado, I'm not gonna teach y'all shit. Psych! Doing the tune-up in this car in 5 minutes or less. It's gonna have time lapse in this video. I hope y'all enjoy. So in this video, you're gonna need a ratchet, extensions, a 14 and a 10. Depending on what size the spark plug is, it's gonna be different than a 14. It might be a 5/8. Who fucking cares? Also gonna need a motherfucking flashlight. Magnet, bitch. 10 on the 3/8. And there we go. It's loose. So I'm loosening it by hand. I should have unplugged it first. And then you're gonna pull it up. Now take your ratchet, extensions, and your 14. Stick it in the hole. Make sure you don't know. And loosen that motherfucker. Like this here. Yes, sir! After you loosen the spark plug, you can get it out the hole, you know, like this here. Bruh. If you don't get your ass in there. Like this. Dispose of the old spark plug. Grab your new spark plug. Take it over here to the hole. And just let it fall in. She ain't got no wall. What I like to do after I drop it in there is take the 14 and the extensions and tighten it by hand first, like this. You're gonna feel it tighten up, and then you can just snug it after that. But if I'm tripping, bro, you better go. After you tighten it by hand, 3/8 ratchet, and you just wanna get it snug. No tighter than snug. Anything got the snug, get that. And that, my friends, is basically how you do a tune-up in less than 5 minutes. So watch me do the rest of these plugs. It's gonna be time lapse. Front is finished, so now it's time to do the back. If you had the original manifold, you would have to take the manifold off to get to the back. I don't have the original manifold, so to the back we go. Time lapse! All spark plugs were changed. My coil packs are still good. And that's how you do a tune-up in 5 minutes or less. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you don't give a shit.